and welcome to Element Z3. Story time. The peas and the sneeze. Are you ready? This is Louise, who is eating some peas. This is the breeze that will make Louise sneeze. This is a sneeze blowing into the peas. And these are the peas bouncing off through the trees.